holiday again, so me and the Duke, we're at a loose end, so we've been reduced to moving sheep this morning. So just got the trailer on the back, got Buzz in the cab with me, and we're off to move some sheep this morning. Yeah, I've got the sheep trailer on the bike, just off up to the Duke's. I'm going to catch all the tups and go and put them in my field, in my paddock, so that it hasn't been grazed for about 4 months. So it's getting a little bit long. It's nice and lush. Give them a nice flushing before we put the lads to work. So we're on a feast before they have some work to do. I didn't even get time to film it. Well, we can sort them out when we let them out, can't we? If you want. Or don't do them now. Right, we're going to try and get the sheep into the trailer. We've made a funnel into there for them. And I'm going to take them over the road and put them in the other fields. At the moment, they're all down there underneath those trees. So we're going to go and send the dogs out on a long rope. Got the young dog with us, Bonnie. She's in training. Bruce is just crazy. That's Buzz's son. That's Bruce the dog. Bruce has gone wide. I took him through the trees. Here they come. Covered in burdock. What are you doing, Llord lamb? Come straight to me, look. That's my pet lamb there. Well, my pet you. It was a pet lamb. Geez, the gaffer. Some's gone in, some haven't.
Yep. 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 What?
Well, they're coming out.
Bye.
Right, try and get these all in here. Bloody hell, might end up with 3 trips. I'm sure we did 3 last time.
We did 2.
We
I
did.
had some in crate.
Yeah, you did. You had some
I
in
don't
crate.
think you had a full load.
Well, they were in the trailer and now they're out of the trailer. So we'll try again. Try and get them back in. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ooh. Get a few more. Come on. In you go. Yeah. Hey, yeah. Coming by. Trailer's loaded. We're going up to the other field now. The Duke's just gone. We're going to check the fence, electric fence, because somebody's moved it. Put that back up, reinstate it, new battery, and then we'll come back and get the second, maybe third run. You don't know. See how we get on. just walking the perimeter fence, and we've got a post down in this corner. So we're going to knock that back in, chopping the brambles off, and then we've got walk all the way around there then, and over the hill and round, just check the fence before we let them back in. I can hear zetor 3 coming up the hill. And here, just hear the turbo whistling. Here it comes. There's the first lot. We've got the fence working. The grass is shorting it out all the way around because it's that long and wet. But we've managed to get it working. There is. Yeah. That's Bob's mucky from the other day. That's what he was carting all day long. There's a right pile there. Must be 60, 80 foot long, that. That's just what he did before he went on holiday. We're stalled. Yeah, they are. There's loads of room. They're just jockeying for position at the front. Unless we chuck them in on top of each other.
Yeah, right.
Pick little ones up and put them on piggyback. Right, we've got two loads in. It's tight in there. You alright, girls? But we've got the second load done, and the Duke's just doing a 3-point manoeuvre in a country lane. Just took Oak Bank out, look. Somebody spends hours cutting that with a lawnmower, making it nice. We've just got 5 little lambs left. We're going to try and get them in the transport crate. Save us coming back. Think you'll do there? Try and get these little 5 lambs in here into that crate. Come on, everybody in. Loads of room. Duke's in. Got them wrangled in, look. That's it. It's that simple. Right then, today we're mostly moving livestock. Cows from A to B, C to D. Got a bit of worming to do, and we've got some sheep to move from C to D and back to A to B. Something like that anyway. So it's going to be a busy day of moving livestock. Here's Buzz, he's waiting. What are you doing? Eh? He's listening to the listening to Popmaster. Well, they've run off. The cows are chasing the dog. I don't know how that works. Come back, they've been chasing the dog. This what? Yep. Bob says it's getting rough. Winds got up. Always shut the gate. Right, we're having a bad day already. The quad's broke down. Don't know what's up with that. It's just drove here lovely and now the thing won't start. And before you ask, yes, it's got petrol in it. So, but there's something loose underneath. So I'm going to have a look at that in a minute. But before that, the sheep are being walked down the main road. They're going to be coming down here in a minute. So I've got to stop on this corner and stop the traffic. Duke's rounding them up. Bob's on the gate. I can see him up there. So basically they're going to come round this road here and then turn down there, up there and into the field. That's the plan. So I've got to stop on this main road here and stop them, stop the cars flying down that way, because they can get some speed up there. Then it's a bit of a blind corner here. So that's what we're going to do. Just seen this on the signpost. I don't know who's put that up. No fireworks allowed near livestock. That's a good sign. Bigging them up. Good up to you, that. First time I've seen that. So you can just see the top of zetor 3 up there behind the hedge. They're just gathering them up and then they're going to run them down that lane, side of the tree there, right down to the bottom, out past the church, which is there, and then along the main road. So they should appear just there any minute now. Bob's just getting in position now next to the church. He's going to block the main road that way, and here they come. I can see them coming. They're over there, look. There they are. Looks like we've got Bruce on the job. He's bringing them down. Here they come. Oh, ah, ah, ah. Ah! Hey! They're going the wrong way. Go and get him, Bruce. That's it. Nice and steady, in you go. Are they going to go the right way?
Right down. Have a new
Whew.
one.
And we're in. I'm knackered now.
What are you doing?
I'm going to make a pen now and worm these. You brought the gun, didn't you? Yeah.
Where do you want then? Top side or low side?
Top side, I think, up to the gauge, but
Somebody's took nuts off that, haven't they, trying to get in?
yeah.
They've undone it, haven't they?
Nope.
Well, there's 3 men and 3 dogs and we still can't get them in.
Reese! Reese!
They're going now. They're going.
Reese! I live.
What do they say? Every day's a school day, is it, with sheep?
Sheep school.
Sheep school. Wait, Cammy doesn't have this problem. Ah, that way, you bugger. That's it, we've got them in.
Not wild, isn't it?
They're all wild. Bloody hell. Sheep wrestling here at its finest. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Any more, Bob?
Little in there.
Where?
There, that one. This one.
Be much easier with a Tapari race, wouldn't it?
Oh, nobody's stopping him by. What is the
No.
There's nobody stopping us demo, is there?
race?
One of them, all posh people have them. All these big YouTube stars, they all have them.
Sheep, man.
Big sheep, man, yeah.
You can't any more.
Yeah, one here. We're doing it the Australian way, aren't we? Old school. Can you get it?
Well, we must be getting down them now.
One here, straight in front, look.
Yeah.
He's even got it in headlock, horn lock for you.
Judy says they all want the awning, but
Yeah.
No, coming out of that.
That big one, they ain't through it, is it?
no. You might not get it down though. There's a bit of a bruise of this one, Bob.
There's big in there at all.
Where?
Yeah.
He's Hawkeye, isn't he, Bob?
There's hundreds on them, Bob. Another wild bug.
We're in amongst them, we can't see him. One's got its horn in my back pocket.
Yeah, get worried, too.
It's lively, that one. That's it. I think they've all been dosed. What have we dosed them with?
It's Ivermectin.
Ivermec. It's a clear wormer. Because they had a white one last time. So 2 weeks to tupping time. Then the fun begins. Yeah, I think we've got them all.
Are they green now, then?
I don't know. Are we letting them go? Yeah, let them go, Bob. Yeah. Then that's where we see one we've missed. When they run out.
Bruce,
Come on, Bill. Get out there.
eye down.
Off you go. Fly, my beauties.
Lie down, Bruce.
That's them all.
That's them all.
Right then, we've been back and picked the fencer up, got the battery. I managed to get the quad started. It just started on its own. I don't know what's up with that. I think it wants a little bit of maintenance, I think. So, yeah, right, we're just going to move the sheep now through into another field. So I've got to go back round and meet the Duke and Bob. And then we've got to come back, get this trailer, get the Bowser, take the fence down. Probably a job for another day. So, see you in a minute. They're like them goats that live in them trees. Look at that. On the cliff. Ah, we've got them on the move now. Fresh bit of grass. Through the pass again without going up the bank. No, straight up the bank again. Shed them into two halves. Lady puddle. And back they go.